recorded this last night, but for some reason the sound didn't work, so I'm trying again this morning. I've been doing a review of this, which is Leatherman style keychain tool, which comes with a basic knife, tweezers, if I can get these out, probably I'll put that away, small scissors, and nail file stroke small flathead screwdriver, although they say flathead stroke Phillips. Yes, with a larger Phillips screw you could use that small flathead to undo it. Very small, but does it have Leatherman sharpness? Yes, it does. It is very, very sharp. Close to, in fact, the sharpness the Spyderco honeybee came at. As you can see, it's not just tearing on parts, it's tearing, but that's more me, not the blade. But it is a very clean cut. However, there is a weakness in the cut. It is a chiseled ground blade, so only one side of the blade is sharpened, unlike the Spyderco honeybee. This was more expensive. I got on offer for £14.99, so £15. But is it worth it? Yes. Although made in China, it also comes with another little thing. A Leatherman single LED 13 lumens keychain torch, and the little style. It is the style, it's not the style CS. Now let me just go over its specs briefly. It's 8.4 centimeters long, which is about 2 1/4 inch. The blade length is a tiny bit longer than the honeybee at 1.6. Its weight is another featherweight. It's heavier than the honeybee, but it's still a very, very light keychain knife at 0.81 of an ounce. These are both very good knives, but for different purposes. The honeybee, overall, I would say, was a better cutter, but this one has the extra tools, which you can always find a use for. So, the style is another heavyweight in a small package, with its full stainless steel body. It's black anodized in this case, because it comes in 4 colours: black, blue, red and pink, I believe. The blade steel. Now the blade steel on the honeybee is superior. The honeybee will hold its edge longer, because the blade steel on the style is the standard 420 HC, which Leatherman uses in a lot of its products. It takes an edge very well. In fact, it's a very good utility blade steel, but you have to keep sharpening it, so have a strap handy for the end of each day if you're going to be heavily using one. It is another UK legal pocket carry, because it is a slip joint. It is not, like most Leatherman, a locking knife. I've tried the scissors, I've tried the knife. The knife will cut through the same rope as what the honeybee will. The honeybee has held its edge quite well. I'll give you an update in a couple of weeks when I've put this one to more use, like what I put the honeybee to, and leave the honeybee from use for a short while and see how this one holds up compared to the honeybee. Thanks for your time, and see you later.